On October 15, 1970, a section of the Westgate Bridge under construction in Melbourne collapsed, resulting in Australia's worst industrial accident. At approximately 11:50 a.m. during the lunch break, the 112-meter steel box girder span between Piers 10 and 11 failed. The approximately 2,000-ton structure fell about 50 meters into the Yarra River mudflats below, killing 35 construction workers and injuring 18 others. Many victims were working on or inside the span, while others were on lunch break in huts beneath it that were crushed by the debris. The collapse produced a loud impact, dust and explosions from ruptured gas lines, which ignited fires and scattered debris over nearby areas in Spotswood. A Royal Commission of Inquiry, established by the Victorian government and chaired by Mr. Justice Barber, investigated the incident. The 1971 report identified the primary causes as inadequacies in the structural design by Freeman Fox and partners, and an unusual erection method involving the separate lifting and joining of half spans. This approach, while innovative, had not been adequately tested or analyzed for the stresses involved during staged construction. Alignment issues had developed earlier. By mid-October, a camber difference of about 11.4 centimeters existed between the two half girders of span 10 to 11. To correct this without major delays, the site team, under John Holland Constructions, placed 10 concrete Kentledge blocks, each weighing about 8 tons, on the higher northern half span to force it downward. This additional load caused buckling in the top flange near the mid-span splice. On the morning of the collapse, workers removed bolts from the splice plates in the upper flange in an attempt to relieve the buckle. With the longitudinal joint only partially complete and the structure already under stress from the Kentledge, the removal of these bolts triggered instability. The span collapsed entirely shortly afterward. The disaster remains Australia's deadliest industrial accident. It led to significant reforms in occupational health and safety regulations, including improved risk assessment, oversight during construction, and strengthened workplace safety frameworks. The bridge was redesigned, replacing the problematic erection sequence with continuous spans and rebuilt at substantial additional cost. It reopened on November 15, 1978, after an extra 80 million Australian dollars, roughly equivalent to 600 to 700 million Australian dollars in current terms. Today, it forms a key part of Melbourne's M1 freeway, carrying over 200,000 vehicles daily.